Yeah, the safe down MJ here, and I know I said I was taking a break, but I actually resolved the situation. Yeah, me and Mal23 talked about it and what we did, and yeah, and I told her I was really sorry, and she accepted my apology, and I'm grateful for that. And so I feel like that since it was just one incident, I don't know, I'm sorry to be such a drama queen about this, but yeah, I am not taking a break, sorry. I know you guys wanted me to, sorry. But yeah, we Gucci, so yeah. So, do you guys, I'll explain what happened, but not too much detail. Um, so, me and Mal were live streaming together, and then I had to leave, and so right after she live streamed, and I got mad for some reason, and I um I thought she was trying to steal my viewers, but she wasn't. She didn't even know what she was doing, and I feel really bad for blaming her for this and just being kind of a brat. Stop. Okay. Yeah, so I'm super sorry to everyone, and especially Mal23, but yeah, and Jeremy, I'm sorry you had to kind of get in the middle of this. But yeah, if we ever fight again, I'm sorry, I don't mean it. We're family. You know, it's kind of, yeah, but that's not really any excuse. But yeah, I'm really sorry, and I've decided that I'm not taking a break because I'm addicted and I need help. I'm just kidding. Yeah, but me and Mal23, whoops, should be live streaming today. But yeah, I'm really sorry everyone. And I did delete the video where I said I was taking a break, but I'm sorry, yeah. So, thanks for watching this quick little video, and thank you so much for 50 subscribers, even though I don't deserve it. So yeah, sorry for, how many times am I saying so? Okay. Sorry for being such a brat, drama queen, wanting pity or whatever, but yeah. I didn't want pity, but I kind of sounded like it. Yeah, so just, I hope you guys can forgive me for all the drama I've caused. But I'm glad me and Mal23 are quote unquote friends again. Like, we were never unfriends, but I'm glad we talked again. And, yeah, some of you viewers, subscribers are my best friends. I'll be really sad if y'all mad, which you aren't. I'm not. Okay. Okay, so thank you for watching this short little video, and I think I already said that, but that doesn't matter. And again, I'm really sorry, but yeah, should be live streaming later, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Yeah.